Hey my people, I don't land again. I may be a guy, pillar for the channel, build Nigeria. Waiting with the happen, how on a day, I know say hunger day now, money no day, poverty they increase. As they say politicians, they know they give us light, they know they share food, they know they share money, they know they do anything. Wetin we go do? This channel no be channel where we want talk about politics or talk about our politicians. This channel na the channel where we create, make you take help yourself, make you take create opportunity for yourself, make you take build new life, make you take change your plan for this period where you dey house. Some people this time they go take sleep, some people go take party, some people go take chase money, some people I know say they go take learn new thing or make plan for the future after this Coro period. For this channel, na channel where we want take help people, where we want go into construction, where we want go into building, where we want turn into handyman, where we want learn how to use tools or use building materials. But for this period, this series, we will talk about how you want to protect yourself for your job site. Before we go continue, if today na your first time for this channel and you never subscribe, I beg hit the subscribe button, make you no come miss our future videos. Yes, my people, as we talked before on how you can protect yourself on your job site, we don't discuss about how you want to protect your head, how you want to protect your eyes and your ears. Today we want to talk how you want to protect your leg. Your legs are very important because you can't go to work when you know can't get leg or something can't enter your leg and you go miss work for weeks or days. Wetin that one mean? I be say if you wear this kind shoe na protect you, na to protect your toes. Why how you want to protect your toes? Because for the front here you get metal or hard plastic where want to protect you. This shoe they come for different sizes, different colors, different designs, and different manufacturers. Depends on how you want take them or how you want them. Me I dey like boots, because as it is so I dey go for deep place, I dey go for higher places, and this one I feel wear them for winter, I feel wear them for the hot time. Now very comfortable one for me. They don't pay me for this advert or pay me for anything, but because now this one where I dey like so. Some of them they come from with metal in the front, some they come with plastic. As those ones where they come with plastic, they lighter past the one where they come with metal. And when they come with metal, some they come with steel, some they come with aluminium. So those ones where they come with steel also they heavier and they stronger. But all of them, if you measure all of them for press, we go show them, you go still get the same resistance. But the one where they come with plastic, they are very lighter and easy to wear. As the shoe there, now you get some where they come flat, some they come like sneakers, some they come like slip-ons, some they come like boots like this, some they come like rain boots where they go high, depending on the site where you they walk. This one also, or some or most of them, na anti-slippery. Say you they walk for place where all you there for ground, or where mud day, or where they slippery. This thing go protect you, say you no go just sleep like that, come fall, come wound yourself, or fall inside water, or fall inside metal, or for even fall inside fire or hot material. It is important to put them, and as it is so, nail no go enter, and water resistant, water no go just enter like that. And if you person where they work for where they do wedding or hot place, you know say this one is also good for you. As you see I'm saying na leather, say fire no dey easily burn leather. Now the thing what we get today, I beg like this video, share them and subscribe for the channel if you never do. Make we see you na soon.